Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna, substantiating text 17 and text 18 of chapter 15, the Yoga of the Supreme Person of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Text 17. Uttamaha Purushasta Vanayah Parmatmeta Yudarutah Yo Lokatraya Mavishaya Bibharataya Vayaya Ishvaraha. Besides these two, there is the greatest living entity, the Supreme Soul, the imperishable Lord Himself, who has entered the three worlds and is maintaining them. The idea of this verse is very nicely expressed in the Katha Upanishad 2.2.13 and Shvetasvatara Upanishad 6.13. It is clearly stated there that above the innumerable living entities, some of whom are conditioned and some of whom are liberated, there is the Supreme Personality who is Paramatma. The Upanishadic verse runs as follows. Nityo Nityanam Setanas Setananam. The purport is that amongst all the living entities, both conditioned and liberated, there is one Supreme Living Personality, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who maintains them and gives them all the facility for enjoyment according to different work. The Supreme Personality of Godhead is situated in everyone's heart as Paramatma. A wise man who can understand this is eligible to attain perfect peace, not others. Text 18. Yasma takshara matita aham kshara-dapi chottamaha ato asmi loke vede ca prathitah purushottamah. Because I am transcendental, beyond both the fallible and the infallible, and because I am the greatest, I am celebrated both in the world and in the Vedas as that Supreme Person. No one can surpass the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, neither the conditioned soul nor the liberated soul. He is therefore the greatest of personalities. Now it is clear here that the living entities and the Supreme Personality of Godhead are individuals. The difference is that the living entities, either in the conditioned state or in the liberated state, cannot surpass in quantity the inconceivable potencies of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It is incorrect to think of the Supreme Lord and the living entities as being on the same level or equal in all respects. There is always the question of superiority and inferiority between their personalities. The word Uttama is very significant. No one can surpass the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The word Loke signifies in the Paurusa Agama, the Smriti scriptures. As confirmed in the Nirukti dictionary, Lokayate Vedartho Anena, the purpose of the Vedas is explained by the Smriti scriptures. The Supreme Lord, in his localized aspect of Paramatma, is also described in the Vedas themselves. The following verse appears in the Vedas: Chandogya Upanishad 8.12.3 Tavada Isa Samprasado Asmaka Charirata Samuthaya Parama Jyoti Rupam Sampadaya Svena Rupena Bhinis Padayate Sa Uttamaha Purusaha. The super soul coming out of the body enters the impersonal Brahma Jyoti. Then in his form, he remains in his spiritual identity. That Supreme is called the Supreme Personality. This means that the Supreme Personality is exhibiting and diffusing his spiritual effulgence, which is the ultimate illumination. That Supreme Personality also has a localized aspect as Paramatma. By incarnating himself as the son of Satyavati and Parashar, he explains the Vedic knowledge as Vyas Deva. Thank you.